Alright, welcome to today's tutorial, and this is the design that we'll be replicating. So let me go straight ahead and make it a blank page. So we set the image size. The height is going to be the same. We're only going to be changing the width. So this is the design that we're replicating, but it was the model design. So let me bring the original design idea that led to this. So this is the original design by Noah, Noah. So this is the original design. I was able to replicate it and take it to the back, and I was able to make this. Yes. So you can see there's not much difference in it. And so without taking much of your time, I want to replicate this as you can see. So the first thing we'll do, we'll start with our background and let me make it like this so that we'll be starting all over. So we want it to be like this. Oh, let's just flip it this way. So the dark part, we want it to be, we'll just pick it, drag your cursor, drag it over here. Then the top part, which is okay, okay. Then the side that is dark, we would pick the other side, the lighter version of it. We're gonna have something like this, and yes, you're gonna have something like this. Then the next thing is we're gonna bring in shape circle. Let's place it this way, and the color we'll see that same gradient. We use that same gradient, but what we'll do now is we'll rotate it, bring this other side up, and you have it this way. You copy it. Then this second one, you're gonna give it a gradient color, and let's see. Let's pick it from the original design. So we're gonna have this to be like this. Then the other part, you choose the lighter version of it. And you have this to be like this. See? Then this other one, you still copy it. I think we're gonna place it this way. We'll place it this way. So let's bring in the original, the model image. There's the model image. We want to put it this way. We want to have it this way. Then we'll bring this one to the front. We'll have something like this. And let's bring the original design so that you guys see what we're doing. Please, if this is the first time on my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what it is you like about the tutorial and the part you want us to be taking moving forward. So we've made so much progress, but there's one more thing we need to add, and before I forget, so this one, let's copy this. Let's copy this, and let's reduce the opacity to maybe 10 and see. But there's another effect we want to add. Yes. Okay, let's make the opacity 15. Want to add, then copy it. Have this to be like this. Then bring the model image to the front. Then bring this one here. Bring this one to the front. Yes. So you want to lock everything so it doesn't disturb your work. And we've done that, as you can see. So we'll just start putting in the text there. And for this one, this is not the actual logo, but we'll just make do with it. Amizaura design. So I want to cut this. I want to reduce it. So the color will be a gradient color. Copy it. Let's put in design there. Cut it. It mustn't use the actual logo. Just get something close to it. Let's space it so it's well balanced there. And you want to copy this. Then put in there the due. Okay, no. Before that, let's put this who is your icon. Who is your icon? I want to place this here. Make it color white. No, that's color white. I want to place this here. I can still increase it. What size is it at? Let's make it 30. And you want to place it properly. So you have that to be that. Copy. Then put in the due cut. Make it black. Copy. Put there no. Cut. I want to increase this. The color will be that gradient red. Then the font, change the font because what we use here is Poppins. Or you can just use that one. I want to make this one bold. Yeah, what we use there is Poppins. If you can use this one, or you just change everything to Poppins. But this one is okay. It's okay. So we want to copy this now. Then put in that short text here. Celebrity means that I can affect people in a positive way. Right. So let's give it a center alignment. Then let's bring in this shape like this. Then color will be black. Alright, you're almost done with our tutorial. It's a very quick one. And I'll make all the resources available in the comments section. in the description rather. I'll make it available in the description of this video. Just make sure you watch the end and share what you're learning with others. Let others know that what you're doing, to see how they can of course start, because the idea is just to start doing something with the smartphone. That has been the goal. That has been what has been driving us. And if you feel that this has been beneficial to you, of course you can always tell others. So let me see, align this. Okay, let me still reduce the size a bit. How many today affect us positively? So you want to copy this, then have this to be like this. So I want all of it to be on the same line. Then copy this. Then I'm gonna just put in let's say Twitter T. Come over here so that you see it. Then you change the font to a social circle font. I believe you have it by now. If not, you can go and download it on dafont.com. Thus, no, a font is social circle. Okay, it didn't change. Yes, I can see there it has changed to that bed logo of Twitter, now X. So you have this to be like this. Copy it. Then Instagram. And we are done. What we want to do, let's just give this a central alignment so everything's at the same time. So with that, we'll come to the end of the tutorial. Then you save as a project, then you save as an image. So we want to delete this original design. Thank you for watching to the end, and see you in a tutorial tomorrow. Let me know what you learned in the comment section, please. Have a nice day.